Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I want to invite you guys to my little bedroom because I was feeling like recording old school style, like with my phone in natural daylight and so on, but mostly I decided to do so because this advent calendar that I'm going to share with you guys in this video was too big for my camera setup, which I usually just record with my like full on in-depth macro lens and camera. So yeah, that's a little side note. But if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so and become a part of my little nail art family here at YouTube. But let's just unbox this one, and let me stop you right here if you don't want to see what is in this one because maybe you have purchased it yourself. Just a big spoiler alert warning right now. Stop watching if you don't want to know what's in here and if you want to be surprised every single day of December, because there are 25 little gifts in here. And yeah, let's just continue watching if you do want to know what's in here, because this advent calendar is definitely one of the most beautiful ones I've ever seen. Big thank you to Madam Glam to actually sending this out to me, because this is a very pricey advent calendar and I'm so grateful that I'm able to actually receive this to unbox with you guys. So yeah, let's just continue with the first one, and I just had to roll up my sleeves because, you know, this was a big package. I was like hunched over my bed like halfway, making sure I was in focus, checking my phone all the time, which I used to record. So yeah, let me just scoop you in a little up closer and personal, and let's start with the first one. So first of all, I love the entire like vibe packaging of the entire advent calendar as well as the individual packages, because the whole theme is like black, white and holographic gold, which is so gorgeous and so festive in my opinion. But in this first little box we have a full size soak off gel polish. This one is called Glow. I haven't swatched any of the colors that are in this particular advent calendar. I definitely want to use most of them, and I am planning on giving some colors like away in a giveaway or something like that, because I already have the full sized ones of those. But this is, I think, a thermal one, or at least a color changing one depending on the heat and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm really curious to see what it would look like on my long natural nails. So the second box I'm going to unbox right here is just a beautiful holographic gold one. And yeah, oh, please excuse my nails. Like, my right hand nails are still pretty decent, but on my left hand I've been working all week and I have some chips, some tipware and so on. But in this second box is actually a soak off base coat, and it is one of my favorite base coats. I pretty much use it underneath any like gel manicure that I'm going to do, and it just works wonders. The third box already, again, very nicely done with the styling and just the entire design of the box. And this one actually contains 2 polygels. I have only worked with polygels like 2, maybe 3 times, and it was just one nail because one nail broke or something like that, and I didn't want to shorten all the others. But yeah, I'm still quite new when it comes to polygel, but I got 2 like same ones, and these are actually called Ice Blossom. I'm not quite sure what the color is because it's still completely sealed, but I'm definitely going to be giving away one of those 2 because I don't need any doubles. I already have so many nail art products that I love to share with you guys, especially if I have reached my 30k subscribers. I'm definitely going to do another giveaway. But in the next box there's actually a really nice like dual tool. So on one end you have a brush, and on the other end you have like a little spatula that you can use to apply your polygel with. So yeah, I really love the design of this. It's just nice and slick, but it has some really nice like frilly design at the end as well. So yeah, let's continue with the 5th one already. Like, this is so exciting. I really love this time of year because first of all, it is like almost Christmas and I'm just I'm obsessed with Christmas and just festivities, and I just love advent calendars. They're just so much fun. So the next one is also a full-size gel polish, and I think this one is a thermal one as well, and this one is called Shifter. So it actually shifts from a warm, like berry red pinkish kind of tone towards a white. So yeah, once again, I'm really excited to try this one out and see what it looks like on my own natural nails, especially now they have this length. You will really be able to see a very nice like gradient or ombre effect with the thermal gels. So yeah, next up is number 6. 6 is my favorite number like in life. I don't know, I just have something with that number, and I was really excited to see that there was actually a no wipe top coat in this one, because that is also one of my favorite products by Madam Glam. It doesn't have a sticky layer after curing, so that is a big plus, and it works wonders if you want to work with a lot of like gems, crystals, embellishments, glitters and so on, because you don't have any sticky layer afterwards that you have to remove. So yeah. Let's continue with number 7. Once again, such a cute little box. You can definitely reuse the boxes afterwards if you would like to. This one is actually the peel off base coat, and I'm not quite sure if I have ever used this one. I really can't remember. I don't even know if I already have it in my collection. So I'll definitely check it out and use it a little more, because apparently I haven't used it. But yeah, let's continue with number 8, and we have a little poly gel again. This one is called Vintage Orchid. It seems to be kind of like a brownish kind of tone, so I am quite curious to see if it has like a very opaque like pigment to it, or if it's more like jelly. I'm not quite sure. Once again, I haven't used poly gels a lot in life so far, because I actually have long natural nails. But yeah, I'm really curious to see what color that one is. Then number 9 is actually the Velvet Matte Top Coat, and this one is full size as well. I love that they just put so many full-size products in here. There are a couple of mini gel polishes as well, which are pretty nice if you don't use gels a lot and just want to try out some new colors. So yeah, next one is number 10, and this one actually contained one of my favorite cuticle oils. This one is called the Elixir. It's cruelty-free, it's vegan, it's like... it has so many natural ingredients. I love this one, and it has a pretty nice scent as well. It is quite subtle, not that overpowering. There isn't like much of like a not organic perfume in there or something like that. It works really nice, and I definitely recommend this one if you're not going to get the entire advent calendar, because it is quite pricey. I totally understand, but if you are going to get some Madam Glam items, definitely make sure to get some of their cuticle oils, because they are bomb. I love those so much. The next package was actually quite a big box, and this was number 11, and this is also an item that I already have in my own collection, and it is a little e-file, and I have tried it out in a video, but once again, I'm quite new to the e-files and stuff like that, so I'm definitely going to keep this one fully sealed and just give it away in one of my upcoming giveaways, because I don't need 2 e-files, you know. Of course I have 2 hands, but I can only work with 1 hand at a time, so I'm just going to put that in my giveaway drawer as well. The next little box is once again a little gold package, and this one actually has one of those mini gels, and this one is called Xoxo. I think it is from the fall collection from last year, but it's really nice that they put such a subtle light brown kind of tone in this particular advent calendar. I think this is one of those colors that a lot of people will like and will look good with as well, because it is quite a natural color, like neutral undertone, let's just put it to that. Then next up is number 13. Some people really love this number as well. It can be like a lucky number. I think it's a really fun number. My house actually is number 13, and it hasn't brought me any bad luck so far. But yeah, this is also once again a mini gel polish, and this one is called Haunt Me. I actually don't have this color in full size yet, and I am not quite sure from what kind of collection this one is. I really don't know. But it looks like a very lovely berry kind of tone, so it is actually pretty perfect for this time of year. But let's continue with the next box already, which is number 14. Once again, very cute design with the little box, black with some beautiful gold holographic stars on there. I think it's actually quite cute to do something like that as nail art as well. But the next color is also a mini gel polish, and I have to say the caps of these little pots were actually quite firm on there, like pretty tightly screwed on. So yeah, I actually had to go out of frame a couple of times to actually open them because I couldn't like put my full force in there. But yeah, this one is called Upper East Side. It is from a collection from last year as well. It is actually a really nice gray tone. Then number 15 is another little mini product. So we have another mini gel polish. This one is called Tomboy, and it is one of my favorites. It is from a collection from a couple of months ago, if I remember correctly. And that collection was full of beautiful glittery gel polishes, which only needed 2 thin layers, by the way. And Tomboy is just a beautiful dark blue galaxy looking kind of gel polish. It is gorgeous. Then the next one is number 16, and once again a really cute packaging, very similar to the black with the gold stars, but yeah, it does give a little bit of a different feel when you have like gold stars on top of white. But yeah, this color is actually called Coffee Talk, and this one is from the same collection as Tomboy, or at least if I remember correctly, I do think so. And this is a beautiful dark brown kind of color. Oh, and by the way, for your information, the mini bottles contain 3.5 milliliters of product, and the regular full-sized ones are 15 milliliters. So yeah, they're definitely a mini size, but a really fun and just a great size to try out if you haven't tried any of their gels. And I really do love that there is like a full-size base and top coat and stuff like that, because those you will use up way faster than colors. Then another mini gel is actually a really lovely one. This one is called the Manhattan, and it is also by a collection that came out earlier this year, if I remember correctly. Like, I've received so many beautiful collections by Madam Glam that I sometimes forget when exactly that collection came out. But if you're curious to see any of my swatch and review videos, definitely do so after you finished watching this video, because I have a ton of them. Like, the next color is called Baby Nest, and this one was, I think, their May collection or something like that. It is a very, very neon bright pink. I love it so much. I love my neon colors, and I think it's a nice touch to just put one really bright color in this collection, because you can definitely wear bright colors all year round, especially if you combine it with some darker tones this time of year. I think it can be really, really fun. The next one is also a mini gel polish, and this one is called Paradise. I have never seen this one before because I simply don't have the full size in my collection, so I'm really curious to see what kind of designs I can make with this one, and it definitely gives me some inspiration for my winter nail art week as well, which is also coming up this year in December. It is a full week, like 7 days videos in a row with nail art designs to give you some inspiration for Christmas and just the entire winter season. So yeah. But next up is another beautiful mini gel polish. I have this one full size. It is called Roar, and it is just a gorgeous holographic green glitter polish. It is very pretty, and I'm definitely going to put this in one of my giveaways as well, because I already have the full-sized bottle. But yeah, let's just continue with the next one, which is 21 already. We only have like 5 packages to go through, and we've already covered the entire advent calendar. This one is Perfect Gold, and I also have this one full size, so this small one will be going in my giveaway drawer. I have like an entire drawer where I keep like doubles or extras or anything like that, so I can make some really cute like giveaway packages for you guys. So yeah, that's that. The next one is number 22. Once again, a very nice mini color. This one is called Smart Oxblood, and I think this one was from a Father's Day collection or something like that, from last year at least, because I do know that I used this color in my winter nail art week last year. It is a very gorgeous like dark red color, and it has a very nice shimmer to it as well. Next up is number 23, and this one is actually also a mini product, a mini gel polish. I don't have this color in my collection as well, but it is a very nice purple shade. It actually kind of matches like with my nails on my right hand. Like my nails on my right hand actually match this box perfectly with the gold little accents that I put on there. Oh, for the record, I didn't record a video on that because I like to do my nails off camera sometimes as well. So yeah, if you want to see how I made these with a little like gold leaves and a gold foil, let me know in the comments down below, and I might be able to do a press-on set or something like that. But in the next box I actually have two poly gels, which are called Sugar and Spice, and these are thermal, so they change depending on how warm your fingers are and stuff like that. So yeah, I already have that one full size as well, so I'm going to do those in my giveaway drawer too. And then the last box already, I was so excited to see what was in here because I already was thinking like it has to be an LED light or something like that, and it actually is a mini light, and it has the cutest design. It is just one of those like small ones. I think this will be perfect to just do a quick flash cure whenever I'm like adding gems or something like that, and I don't want them to move around all the time. So yeah, I'm just going to unbox this one real quick as well. It already is a little bit of a longer video, so why not just add another minute to it and show you this cute little light, because I think it is adorable. So it is white, it has like snowflakes and stars on there with some gold effects or color, I have to say. You can just flip open the little like standing thingy, so you can actually put it over your nails and you don't have to hold it, but you can just flip those right back in again and just hold it yourself with your other hand if you like to do so. And of course you can use it while adding some power to it with a USB cord that is actually included. But yeah, that was the entire box already. I'm so excited about this. The total worth of this box is almost $450, but of course the price itself is a lot cheaper. You can get it for $150 if I remember correctly. And of course I do have a discount code if you want to use it of 30%. I always leave it in the description box as well as the pinned comment, so definitely check it out if you want to use it and save some money. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. Let me know what is your favorite item and if you're going to get it, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.